Hey, so welcome back to our 7 Designs. So on today's tutorial, we're gonna be doing a touch cable roof. So let's get on with it. Okay, so this is my floor plan. It's gonna go to the second level where our roof is gonna be. So I'm just gonna go to architecture, then select roof. Then my overhang is already set. So I'm just gonna add the lines. Okay, so click tab, then modify, then change the slope to 25 degrees. Then click under search. Let's see. Okay, so this is the hip roof. So what we have to do is to change this into a touch cable. So just gonna add a cable here and a cable here. So yeah, just gonna go to the second level again, then edit, then just gonna do the changes. So just gonna use a 45-degree angle. So yeah, then just gonna mirror this to the other side. Then add this. Then can remove this one. So all of this has to uncheck the define slope. So do that. Then I have to select this and mirror it to the other side. Then you can remove this one, delete. Then yeah, so we're almost done with our cable. So yeah, and so this is how it looks like at the moment. So we need to add the two parts. So just gonna go back to level 2 and roof, and just select again. Gonna select everything, no everything, then uncheck define slope, then trim and extend. Let's change the slope to 25 degrees, then you can continue. Now we have to mirror this to the other side. Okay, so this is our final roof. So this is how we do a touch cable roof.